Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Voice and signing in so recordings link to your account. Once done, grant microphone and storage permissions to let the app save high-quality files. Make sure you select the correct input device and a consistent sample rate to avoid clicks later. Create a new recording and give it a clear name tied to the video scene. This avoids confusion when importing. You'll thank yourself during editing when every clip is already organized and ready to use. Now you record with intent. Pick a quiet room and watch levels so peaks sit near -12 decibels to preserve headroom. Use brief test clips to confirm tone and distance, then record full takes while leaving short lead-in and tail for editing. Once finished, export as WAV or a high bitrate MP3 for best fidelity. Import those files into your video editor, then align by waveform and use small slip edits to lock sync. This method reduces manual nudging and keeps lips and sound tightly matched. Finish by balancing the voice track with background music and effects. Automate a duck of 6 to 10 decibels during speech so words remain clear. Once mixed, bounce the sequence at 48 kHz and choose codec settings compatible with your target platform. Before you upload, listen end-to-end and watch for pops or sync drift. If something goes wrong, start by checking Google Voice and OS microphone permissions. Confirm both recording and project sample rates match, and ensure the correct input device is selected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.